Today I want to talk about a topic that I see all too often in my practice, unfortunately. Narcissists and divorce. If you're going through a divorce with a narcissist, or you suspect you might be, you're probably wondering what to expect. Well, let me walk you through some of the common tactics that narcissists use during divorce proceedings so that you'll know how to spot them, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself and your kids. First, let's clarify what we mean by narcissism. While we aren't diagnosing anybody, narcissists are individuals who tend to exhibit a pattern of grandiosity, a need for excessive attention, and a lack of empathy. These traits can become particularly pronounced during stressful events like a divorce. When a narcissist feels that their control or their image is being threatened, such as when a marriage ends, they often engage in very toxic behaviors. Divorce can turn into a battleground where their focus is not on fair outcomes or compromise, but on winning at all costs, even if it means dragging out the process or causing unnecessary harm to themselves, their spouse, or even their children. So let's talk about some of their tactics so that you can spot them. Tactic 1, manipulation and gaslighting. One of the first things to expect from narcissists is manipulation, often in the form of gaslighting. Narcissists thrive on controlling the narrative. They'll twist the facts, try to make you question your own memories, and even paint themselves as the victim. Suddenly, what you remember happening may seem foggy because they constantly challenge your version of events. So here's how to counter this. Document everything. From conversations to financial transactions, keep detailed records. This paper trail is invaluable, not just for your own peace of mind, but for the court as well. Your attorney can use these records to demonstrate patterns of manipulation, preventing the narcissist from controlling the narrative in the courtroom. Tactic 2, prolonging the process. This is one of the most frustrating tactics used by narcissists. Intentionally dragging out the divorce. Narcissists often delay proceedings by refusing to cooperate, missing court dates intentionally, or filing unnecessary motions. Why do they do this? Because prolonging the divorce gives them a sense of control. They thrive on your frustration and exhaustion, hoping that you'll eventually cave in to their demands. So here's how to counter this one. Stay patient and strategic. Work with your family law attorney to set firm deadlines and document every delay. Courts typically frown upon individuals who play games with the legal process, and your attorney can file motions to compel action or ask for sanctions against the narcissist for their behavior. Tactic 3, financial manipulation. So financial abuse is another common tactic in a divorce by a narcissist. A narcissist may attempt to hide assets, refuse to provide financial documents, or make large last-minute expenditures to prevent you from receiving your fair share. They know that financial insecurity can weaken your resolve, making you more willing to settle for less. Here's how to counter this one. Get a financial expert involved early. Forensic accountants can track down hidden assets or point out suspicious financial behavior. Additionally, work with your attorney to ensure that temporary orders are in place to protect your financial interests during the divorce process. These orders can help maintain financial stability and prevent the narcissist from engaging in reckless spending or withholding resources. Tactic 4, using the children as pawns during the divorce. One of the most emotionally devastating and nasty tactics is when a narcissist uses the children as leverage in the divorce. They may try to turn the children against you, manipulate custody arrangements to hurt you, or use visitation as a bargaining chip. You see, narcissists view the children not as individuals with their own needs, but just as tools to maintain control over you. So here's how you counter this nasty tactic. Always prioritize the children's well-being. Document any and all instances of parental alienation and work with a therapist or a child psychologist if necessary. In court, focus on the best interests of the children and highlight any behavior that suggests that the narcissist is using the children as pawns. Let me tell you something, judges are particularly sensitive to situations where children are being manipulated. Highlight and point out that manipulation to the judge. So how can I best summarize everything I've discussed with you today? Well, it's to be really honest and straightforward and to tell you that divorcing a narcissist, it's not going to be a walk in the park, but it's worth whatever you have to go through to get free. It's like getting out of an escape room, and the escape room is actually your marriage, and you're trying to get out, and you've got to go through this process. It's going to be emotionally taxing, frustrating, and often overwhelming. But here's the thing, by recognizing the common tactics that narcissists use, such as manipulation, prolonging the process, financial control, and using the children as pawns against you, you can be prepared to counter them. The key is to stay calm, document everything, and work closely with your aggressive and protective family law attorney to hold the narcissist accountable so that they don't get away with their shenanigans. Hire a family law attorney who is sharp, proactive, strategic, and has been through this kind of divorce or other family law case with a narcissist, and who can help you navigate these complex situations and protect your rights and your children's rights and your family. Work closely with your attorney so you can make sure that you and your kids aren't going to be the victim of their tactics any longer, and so that you can move forward with your life and give your children the childhood that they deserve. Stay strong. Better and brighter days are ahead for you and for them.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos, leave us comments, and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.